Hi, boys and girls. Today's book is about the letter O. Little O had a box. I will find things that begin with my O sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little O hopped along, hop, hop, hop. He found otters in a pond. Otters begins with the letter O. Did he put the otters into the box? He did. Little O found an octopus. Does octopus begin with the letter O? It does. He put the octopus into the box with the otters. But the otters did not like the octopus. The otters hopped out of the box. Hop, hop, hop. Little O put a top on the box so the octopus could not get out. Then he put the otters on top of the box. Away he went. Hop, hop, hop. Then little O found an ostrich. Does ostrich begin with the letter O? It does. He hopped on the ostrich. Hop, he said. But the ostrich would not hop. So little O put the ostrich on top of the box. Now the box was heavy. Little O found an ox. Does ox begin with the letter O? It does. You are just what I need for my box, he said. Away they went, hop, 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 all the way home. Little O took his things out of the box. What funny things he had. An ox, an octopus, otters, and an ostrich. The end.